Marco, the World Yo-Yo Champion. Today I'm going to show you 10 basic tricks for you to play with. The first trick will be the long sweeper. This is the long sweeper. Okay. And the second trick will be rock the baby. So this is where you throw a sweeper. Your left hand takes half of the string, and your right hand takes the remaining half. So you open your left hand and you bring the string down. The next trick will be elevator. So this is where your left index finger goes under the string and your right hand just pulls the yo-yo like an elevator. The fourth trick will be around the world, so you look something like that. So from this view, it will be like this. This is called around the world. The fifth trick will be eating the spaghetti. So you twirl the string up like a spaghetti, and you pinch it with your right hand, and you let go of the left hand, and you just slurp it. And this is called eating the spaghetti. The sixth trick will be Eiffel Tower. This is where you stick out your left index finger and your thumb. And you take half of the string. Your right hand comes down. You stick out your right thumb. Do this, and then you twist your finger. This is where you take your left index finger to grab the string. And then you bring your right finger. The seventh trick will be walk the dog. So it's something like this. This is walking the dog. And the eighth trick would be the dribble. So look something like that. So basically you're dribbling a yo-yo. And the ninth trick will be fall pass. So you do something like this. Instead of throwing this way, you throw outward. So this is forward pass. The 10th trick will be the rocket. So to make fun, you can do something like this. Prepare the yo-yo, and before you launch the yo-yo up, you can just shout 3, 2, 1, rocket! So these are the 10 basic tricks I have for you. I hope you have fun learning them just like I did. The reason why I love yo-yo is because yo-yo exercises my left and right brain, and it's very good for your brain and your health and your mental well-being. Now, another good thing would be you could play yo-yo anywhere and anytime you want, which is good for de-stressing. Let's say you're stressed out from exams, you could pick up a yo-yo and play. Instead of going on the computer or playing on your smartphone, you could just pick up a yo-yo and play anytime you want.